Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Kerdi Curb is probably one of the most innovative products for your bathroom renovation. It's a pre-sloped shower curb system that simplifies the installation process, ensuring a waterproof and tile-ready base. This video will explore the features and benefits of the Kerdi Curb, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your next bathroom project, and how it can save you time and effort. Number 5. Schluter Kerdi Board Shower Curb, 60, KBSC 11515011524. Are you planning a new bathroom or renovation? This product is perfect for both. It's designed to make your shower project easier and more reliable. This curb is designed to work perfectly with the Schluter shower system. This ensures a waterproof and dependable shower base, giving you peace of mind. The surface is ready for tiling, allowing for a clean and stylish look. It's designed to make your shower look great and last for years. It's strong enough to support glass doors and can be used in many different shower designs. This product is made to meet your needs. The curb comes in a 60-inch length, but you can cut it to fit your specific needs. This makes it easy to install in any shower space. It comes with a 10-year warranty against manufacturing defects when installed correctly. This shows the manufacturer's confidence in the product's quality and durability. What we like. This curb offers a seamless fit, perfectly integrating with the Schluter shower system. It's also tile-ready, allowing for a sleek, elegant finish. If you're looking for a durable and stylish shower curb that's easy to install and supports glass doors, this is the one for you. What people say. The Kerdi Curb is a great product. Easy to work with and install. The curb is waterproof. Number 4. Schluter Kerdi Shower Kit, 38x 60 center outlet. This Schluter kit offers a comprehensive shower solution. It comes fully equipped with everything you need, including a tray, curb, and waterproofing membrane. It's designed for customization. The kit is available in various sizes to fit different shower dimensions. This ensures it meets your specific bathroom layout needs. It provides an optimal fit and a seamless look. Engineered to create a fully waterproof and vapor-tight enclosure, it's perfect for tiled and steam showers. This provides exceptional moisture control, protecting your bathroom. The kit includes all necessary waterproofing components. This means a quick and easy installation. It requires no additional maintenance after setup. It's backed by a 10-year limited warranty against manufacturing defects. This warranty is valid when installed according to the Schluter installation handbook. It follows all guidelines and industry standards. What we like. This kit provides a complete shower solution, including a tray, curb, and waterproofing membrane. It offers versatile installation options to fit your specific bathroom layout. If you are renovating your bathroom and want a fully waterproof and easy-to-install system, you should consider this kit. What people say. Kerdi Curb is a great product. Easy to install. The curb is waterproof and ready to tile. Number 3. Schluter Kerdi Board Shower Curb, 38 length. Are you planning a new bathroom or renovation? This product is perfect for you. It's designed to make your shower construction easier and more reliable. This curb is designed to work perfectly with the Schluter shower system. This ensures a waterproof and dependable shower base, giving you peace of mind. The surface is ready for tiles, which allows you to create a beautiful and elegant shower. It's a stable and waterproof base for your tiling project. This curb is strong enough to support glass doors and can meet different design needs. It's a flexible solution for various shower setups. The curb comes in a 38-inch length, but you can trim it to fit your specific needs. This makes installation easier and more adaptable to your space. It's backed by a 10-year warranty against manufacturing defects. This warranty is valid when installed according to the Schluter installation handbook and all industry standards. What we like. This curb offers a seamless fit, perfectly integrating with the Schluter shower system. It's also tile-ready, allowing for a sleek, elegant finish. If you are working with a smaller space and need a shorter curb, this is a great choice. What people say. The Kerdi Curb is a great product for building a shower curb. Easy to install and waterproof. Number 2. Schluter Kerdi Band Waterproofing Strip, Keba 100-125 5M. This strip is perfect for sealing butt joints and connections. It ensures a fully watertight seal, preventing any leaks in your bathroom or kitchen. This product provides optimal waterproofing. It's designed to keep moisture out, protecting your surfaces from water damage. You can use it with Kerdi and Dytra membranes, as well as Kerdi board panels. It's designed for various applications, making it a flexible choice for your needs. The strip adheres tightly to corners, maintaining its integrity. It ensures consistent waterproofing without any issues at surface transitions. At just 4 mm thick, it prevents buildup under tiles. This allows for a smooth, flat surface, making tile installation easier. It comes with a 10-year limited warranty. This warranty covers manufacturing defects when installed according to the guidelines. What we like. This waterproofing strip ensures optimal waterproofing performance, preventing leaks in high moisture areas. It's designed for versatile application, sealing joints and connections effectively. If you are looking for a reliable solution to seal butt joints and floor wall connections, you should consider it. What people say. The Kerdi Curb is a great product. Easy to install. The curb is solid and well built. Number 1. Schluter Kerdi Shower Kit, Complete Waterproofing System. This Schluter kit offers a comprehensive solution for your shower needs. It comes fully equipped with everything you need, including a shower tray, curb, and waterproofing membrane. It's designed for easy customization. The kit is available in various sizes, ensuring it fits perfectly into your bathroom layout. This versatility allows you to achieve an optimal fit and a seamless look, no matter the dimensions. Engineered for superior moisture control, this kit creates a fully waterproof and vapor-tight enclosure. It's perfect for standard tiled showers and even residential steam showers, providing lasting protection. Installation is quick and easy, thanks to the included components. The kit contains everything you need, like the Kerdi drain flange, waterproofing strips, and seals, requiring no additional maintenance. Enjoy peace of mind with a 10-year limited warranty. This warranty protects against manufacturing defects when the kit is installed according to the provided guidelines and industry standards. What we like. This kit provides a complete shower solution, including a tray, curb, and waterproofing membrane. It offers versatile installation options to fit your specific bathroom layout. If you are looking for a complete and reliable waterproofing system for your tiled shower, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Kerdi Curb is a great product for building a shower curb. The curb is easy to install and waterproof. It is a great product and makes the shower build easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.